So in the previous video, we have created a new sub account, and in this video, we will actually be looking forward to add a user into sub account. So once you are in your sub account, go to settings and then into my staff. Once you are log into my staff and then add into user, so add the first name and the last name, and also add the email and then phone number if you want to. And once it's done, now go to roles and permissions and select what role you actually want to assign to your user. So if it's admin or user, so I'm actually going with the admin. And then you can select all the permissions that you want to turn on or turn off. So I'm going with the all the permissions. Now just click on save, and then a new user will be added to your sub account.